typical marketing team costs $5,000 to $15,000 per month. These 5 AI tools combine cost under $200 and handle 80% of the same workload. Jasper generates blog posts, ad copy, and social captions in your brand voice. Feed it your style guide once, and it stays consistent across every platform. Surfer AI writes SEO-optimized articles that actually rank. Combined with Surfer SEO's content editor, you get keyword research, content briefs, and optimization in one tool. Buffer's AI assistant schedules and optimizes posting times while Canva AI generates on-brand visuals. Together, they replace a social media manager. Polymer turns your marketing data into visual dashboards with natural language queries. Ask, what campaign drove the most revenue last month, and get instant answers. Grab my free AI marketing stack template in the description. Subscribe for more AI tools that save you money and time.